Are you dealing with forever oily skin and never-ending acne breakouts? Then definitely give this remedy a try. It's worth it. Welcome back to my channel, The Miracle Mirror. Now take some of these freshly washed leaves and grind it using a grindstone or a blender and strain it to obtain the fresh juice. Into a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of freshly prepared mint leaf juice, teaspoon of cucumber gel, and 1 vitamin E capsule. Now mix all these ingredients very well until it forms a gel-like consistency like so. Now the face gel is ready to use. Apply it onto your face and massage until it is completely absorbed by your skin. You may use this gel as a day cream or a night cream. In this face gel, we have used mint. It has a refreshing aroma with cooling sensation and anti-inflammatory properties. Remove pimples and acne scars. It has cucumber gel, which contains caffeic acid and vitamin C, helps to lighten the skin naturally and reduces acne scar blemishes. And vitamin E is a rich source of antioxidants which eliminates acne and acne scars, repairs damaged skin and makes it glowing and healthy. Use this remedy continuously until the acne and acne scars fades away completely. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, please like and subscribe, and please don't forget to share your feedbacks in the comment section below. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye bye.